For this core concept, we're going to take a broad look at continuous functions versus discontinuous or not continuous functions. Continuous functions are those types of functions that you can keep your pencil down and you never have to pick it up to continue on your graph. So think linear equations, quadratics, cubics, anything that we've been really focusing on. Those are continuous functions. Now, for not continuous functions, you can see that if you were to follow with your pencil, you would have to pick it up and move it at some point. So we would call not continuous functions things like piecewise functions. And you'll see a little bit more of that later on this year. Another type of function we could look at is rational functions. We'll take a peek at that. This is kind of guiding us into what this unit's going to look at. We're going to be looking at continuous versus not continuous. Rational functions have an x in the denominator, which means that, there is a value that makes it undefined, therefore it's got to jump somewhere. So all of that is TBD, but I want you guys just to write down that core concept, what the graph looks like of a continuous and what the graph looks like of a not continuous, or we call that discontinuous. And then my examples, and then we're going to get into that next example video, which you guys will be using Desmos for on your homework assignment, not a regular graphing calculator.